Alright, so I'm waiting for my wood putty to dry so I can sand it again, and got a little anxious, so I thought I'd start distressing a little bit, right? Things that I could do and not interfere with the putty drying. There's some of my one of my spots right there. So I just wanted to show you what I did. This is a rat tail file, right? Because it looks like a rat tail, and so I wanted to make it look right here like, say this was on a boat, and a rope, or even not on a boat and a rope was tied around this, right? So gouged it in there a little bit on the top and the bottom. Okay. Interestingly, I started with my dividers here, and the first thing I hit was this knot, and the knot fell out, which is really pretty cool. I like that. I'm glad it's out. But then I did these curves right here, like maybe you know, there was possibly a chain or something that had been hooked on here, and over time, with the wind or with maybe the boat rocking, made that indentation in there. Then the awl, right? Make it look like bug holes. You can do light ones, little ones, and some hard ones. I used this rasp. This is a really sharp one on both sides of it. This is flat-sided, and this is curved on the back side. And so once again, you know, I wanted it to look like something had rubbed up against this over and over and over again. And I'll probably even make that a little deeper, just to give it more drama. Then I use this little cutter to do like little termite things, right? Don't termites, I think they, or some kind of insects, make little grooves in the wood like that. I don't know. But it doesn't matter, you know, I want it to kind of make sense. I want someone to, you know, a termite expert to look at it and say, well, yeah, those are termite things, but who cares? I mean, it's old. And then down here at the end, I used my machete, right, and just chopped off the ends. Got to be careful with this machete. It's really sharp. It'll cut you. Alright, maybe I'll that's kind of neat. Not bad. Just something else, you know. Who knows what this big timber went through. Just make sure, you know, this is only 1-inch board, 3/4 of an inch thick. So you got to make sure you don't cut through it, right? So, but yeah, do what you can. I mean, I like this knot right here that's sunken in. It's just the more I see it, the more I'm liking it. And now I need to get creative with my other tools over here. My wife likes this grinder and the shapes that it makes. I'm not really sure. I can't remember what it was she was doing with that. And I know she was doing something with the hammer and this punch. Looking at, I think she was hammering along, making bug tracks of some sort. I think I'll let her do those. What would this do? Yeah, this doesn't do much at all. So I'm gonna keep going, try some more stuff, and we'll see how it turns out.